Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking another look at the ZIMO1 from ZONDISION. It is a glasses-free 3D 4K monitor, and we've already seen how incredible it looks in my previous videos, but today we're going to be going through a bunch of gaming related stuff, mainly focusing on how the ZIMO hub, the game hub from ZONDISION, works with this monitor, and it allows you to do a ton of really cool stuff. But make sure to check out their Kickstarter. You can go and see it in the comments, look at all the details, and back the project if you're interested, because it is a really cool and incredibly high quality glasses-free 3D monitor. Games like this one can be booted up seamlessly right through the ZIMO hub, so I'm going to walk you through the different types of games you can launch through the hub and the other features of the ZIMO hub that you'd probably be interested in knowing about. So here's the hub. It has a number of different tabs, including games, which are pulled up directly from your Steam library, your Epic Games library, and more. You can do a lot of things with this hub, but I'm going to take you through exactly how to launch games and how to access the mods and play the games that are modded directly by ZONDISION, which are really high quality. They have a nice little set of titles that they've modded directly themselves, and these are the top quality mods that are provided by ZONDISION, and that selection is going to grow over time. But first I want to take you through the three main features of the ZIMO hub. Really three things packed into it. One is game management, you got game modding, and then 3D software downloads. So yes, it lets you launch your games in 3D once they're ready, but it also integrates ZONDISION's exclusive 3D resources and game tools so that your software constantly stays up to date. ZIMO hub already has automatic support and updates for Steam, Epic, Xbox, and more. It'll scan automatically for the titles that you have on your PC, and then it'll display them here for you and show you which ones are the ZONDISION mods, and then which ones are just your titles that you can access and play with your own specific mods and things like that. And then when you're on the home page, you'll see at the very top here that there's a carousel that shows all of the what they call the master level 3D titles. The ones like these that have the LFD symbol are the ones that are ready to go with near native level 3D, the ones that are modded by ZONDISION. And then there's also this game modification list, which shows games that have a built-in cheat engine in the game that you can tweak in the settings, like weapon buffs, character health, unlimited money, and things like that. On the right side of the homepage, there's a leaderboard where you can see which ZIMO1 games are getting played the most, or you can go into the comments and share your experience with other gamers and swap tips with them, things like that too. The My Games page shows all of the games that you have installed, but you can also quickly filter by different categories, including the Master LFD, ZONDISION's version of 3D, CHT, and others. The ZIMO hub also can do a full system scan. You'll be able to manually add in your own exe or other files, but it also works with emulators, so you can play games that way if you're interested. Currently, the manager supports the Dolphin emulator, and there's more emulator support planned for the future. The game manager also features a self-developed full set of game modification engines, supporting in-game mods for a number of single-player games. For example, it's recommended to enable both game modification and the LFD features when you're playing Little Nightmares 2. But make sure you launch the game first before opening the modification options. What's also really cool is that you can actually upload your own custom mods via the ZIMO hub. You simply go to your profile in the upper right, select mod storage from the left sidebar, and then upload your file. Then to actually play your modded game, you just go find the game in the hub. Once you do that, you can enable the mod directly from the game's launch page. And currently, this includes things such as Geo11 and Reshade, but support for additional related pipelines is actively under development and will be added over time. When you take the ZIMO1's top quality glasses-free 3D display and pair it with the master tier LFD titles that are on the ZIMO hub, you'll get a breathtaking geometrical 3D experience that really makes you feel drawn into the game as you're playing. So let me take you through how you launch a game on the ZIMO1 hub. Let's take a look at how this works with Epic Mickey Rebrushed. This game looks amazing in glasses-free 3D on this monitor. So we just click on the game from the LFD game section, and then you'll have this launch button. Click launch and make sure you have master LFD toggled on, and then click launch again, and it's going to start up the game, but it'll use the 3D settings that were prepared and designed by ZONDISION as it launches the game, and it'll automatically do everything for you. You just sit back and wait until the game launches, and when it does, it's just going to be in 3D mode automatically. The game launches just like that. The coolest thing about this is that the monitor is doing all of the rendering work, so it'll take the left and right frame for each frame in the game. On this monitor, the processing required to turn the game on screen into 3D is done by the monitor. It's not done by your computer, which is why it looks like this game is running so smooth in 3D. And on top of that, it looks amazing. And that's it. That's how you launch the games with the LFD support, the master tier 3D support from the ZONDISION hub. But you can also add your own mods in a similar way right through the hub, which is nice because then you don't have to go out of your way to open up a bunch of different things, go back and forth between different apps. You can just open the hub, click on the game, launch it, and then wait for it to just start running. Now I've launched Kazan the Last Berserker through the hub. This looks crazy already. It reminds me exactly of how it looks on the Samsung Odyssey 3D. So this 3D mod was done by ZONDISION, but the quality, just based on this loading image, is crazy high. And we've got a really, really crisp, nice and bright image here too. It looks amazing. I wish there was an easier way to show you all how cool this looks directly in 3D. Unfortunately, it's basically impossible to do that capturing with a 2D camera like this, but this looks stunning. It's so cool. I'm actually really relieved that the Zimo Hub has mods for this game, like cheat mods, because I really struggled to play through this game when I tried it before on my other devices. The learning curve is too high, and I don't have enough time to play it over and over again just to master different battle techniques and things like that. So I think I just want to enjoy a really cool 3D immersive experience and just kind of go through the world, go through the game without feeling stressed about winning or losing or dying constantly and trying to learn each enemy's battle pattern. Being able to activate those mods for this game so I can just breeze through it in a way that I can enjoy is also another nice bonus to this monitor and its software. The colors and the particle effects here are on point. I literally can't stop myself from smiling when I see stuff like this. This is what 3D should be like on everything, and I can't wait until we start seeing more and more devices that just nail this look and this quality. On the upper right, there are 3 icons, and the first one shows these diamonds. It's not clear exactly if this is going to be for a global audience. You can probably exchange them for different things. It's sort of like an incentive game system built into the platform. And then next to that is something that says check complete when you click on it, which means the device is recognized as the ZIMO1 3D monitor, and it'll show you if your plugin is up to date and if the software version is up to date. In my case, they're all updated, so it says no available updates. If they weren't updated, you'd be able to click to update from this section. And next to that is your profile icon with a couple shortcuts, but you can access all of these just by entering your profile. And on the left-hand side, there's a menu here, account info. Personal level is interesting because you get to level up the more you use the ZIMO1 or the Zimo Hub, and this could potentially allow you to do certain things, probably different aesthetics, different skins or customization on the platform. For example, you have this avatar decoration section. By default it's blank or off, and there are a couple that I've already unlocked or may have had to begin with. Frames or rings around my profile icon. You can customize your profile icon just like on regular social media by choosing a picture that you want, and then you get these frames over time, because you can see here that there are more unique or cool styled ones that are locked right now. So I would have to unlock these over time, but it just makes it kind of interesting to keep using this platform over time, similar to Discord and other places where you get perks from ongoing use of the platform, which I would say is better than getting nothing. And then right here you can access the theme change. It's a very simple toggle. With a simple click, it'll swap back and forth between dark mode and light mode. There's also a log upload section, which gives you the option to upload a log of your past 3 days of this hub's logs. That will help ZONDISION diagnose issues that you may experience, or potentially just improve the platform over time based on those logs. If you go over to the download page, you can actually directly download the different apps, tools, and software related to the ZIMO1, including the 3D renderer app, which is the app that is separate from the gaming hub and used to view your images and videos. It supports all different types of 3D formats, side by side, half width, full width, over, under, VR 180, and a lot more. And you also have access to the NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel drivers that you might need for all of this to run properly. I really like that they connect this download page directly to their software. So if you feel lost or you feel like you're missing something, you can come directly here to download it, and then over time as things get updated, the latest version is going to show up in this section of their hub, which is great. So for these CHT games, if you click on one in the hub, then it'll tell you how many different modifications it supports. So let's say for God of War, if you scroll down, you'll see it says supports 24 modifications, and then you can see specifically what those different things are It'll let you scroll through them. Universal mods for the whole game, which is XP and Silver Sheet at 999999999, and then individual player mods including invincibility, infinite health, unlimited rage, instant cooldowns, and all sorts of things. They have a built-in voting system in the platform, so it allows users like me to click vote, and if a game gets enough votes, ZONDISION might go and add more things to that game, like master level 3D support. You can see some of the comments down here from users that have played the game. User reviews and comments are all compiled here at the bottom. And if you go to the game tools section, you'll see that there's actually a DLL repair tool, which allows you to just click to scan and fix any missing files, automatically download them to make sure your PC stays in the state that it needs to be in to run all of this software and play these mods and games in 3D. It also offers network acceleration, which allows you to have just a smoother overall gaming experience. That pretty much covers it for the Zimo Hub and the different things that you can do with their platform for 3D gaming on this monitor, the ZIMO1. If you're interested in diving into the vast collection of gaming resources that they're working on and experiencing directly how magical it feels to game on a world-class glasses free 3D display like this, then you're definitely going to want to check out their campaign page and look through all the details and see if you're interested. The link is in the description in the comments, so feel free to use that to head directly to their campaign page and go through all the details. ZONDISION has told me that they're very interested in hearing from all of us. If you have any specific suggestions or requests for the software or specific games that you would love to see supported, then let us know in the comments. I'm interested in hearing your thoughts just on what you think about this monitor and just this total gaming glasses free 3D hardware software package as a whole. That's it for this video. Thank you guys as always so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.